Number 18. In triangle QRS, QR is 12. QR is 12. Want to go ahead and label that? QR is 12. 12. And measure angle Q is 30 degrees. Based on the information, what is the length of RS? I'll give you a moment to think about that. Okay, we said you could use trig. You could also use special right triangles. Which way you want to do it? Let's do special right triangles. If this is 30, this is 90. How many degrees go here? 60. Now I don't have a formula chart here. So you're gonna have to tell me when you look in the formula chart, you'll see a 30, a 60, 90 with a triangle. What is on the triangle? What is listed as being across from the 30? X. I want to put X here. What is across from 60?
Square root of 3.
And what is across from 90?
2x.
2x. Now in the problem they gave us 12. What is 12 across from?
60.
Okay, so that means 12 right here is x squared of 3. So here's how the algebra works. You would say 12 equals x square root 3. What is the x doing? We gotta solve for x. What is x doing to that square root?
It's been multiplied.
It's multiplying. So what's the opposite of multiplication to solve this? Divide. Now, I would love to say that this is the answer, because mathematically that is correct. They just won't ever write the answer in that format as 12 divided by square root of 3. But I gave you the shortcut earlier. If you're trying to divide that, can I just say square root 4? 3 goes into 12 4 times. Does that work? No. Here's the shortcut. Whenever you're dividing by square root, move the square root to the numerator, like I did there, but then divide it by the number without the square root. So what is 12 divided by 3? 4. So the answer should be 4 squared root of 3, isn't it? Does he agree with us? Yes, it does. So it's 4 squared root of 3. Y'all want to see it using trig as well?
Yeah.
Okay, if you're using trig, they gave us 30 degrees. And they gave us this is 12. Would you say this is the Hubbard spot? Would you say this is the opposite, adjacent, or hypotenuse right now?
Opposite.
That is opposite. Now, from my class, would you all call that X or Y? That's Y.
You're slow.
Okay, it's 12. They gave us 12. What is 12? That's the X. Okay, Hubbard's class, would you call that adjacent or hypotenuse?
Adjacent.
Adjacent. You go to your formula chart. You're looking for opposite and adjacent, or for my class, you're thinking of Y and X. Sine is Y, cos is X, tangent is Y over X. Which of the trig functions would you choose? Tangent. So you'd say tangent of 30 degrees equals the Y divided by the X, the opposite divided by the adjacent. Okay, there's only one thing to do to solve this. Let me check, say Y or opposite. Y or opposite. What's the opposite of dividing by 12? You multiply both sides by 12. Sorry, it's small. Let me write that again one more time. You multiply both sides by 12. And so if you go to your calculator and you type this in, it'll give you the decimal form of this. Go ahead and type that in the calculator. 12 tangent 30 degrees. Press enter. See what you get. Please do that quickly. 12 tangent 30. 6.92. Now, is that the same thing? Now type in 4 square root of 3. Do you get the same answer?
Yeah.
Exact same or close to the same?
Exact.
Exactly the same. They are the same answer. So you could use either format. You just have to type in the answer choices.